In this video, I want to continue sharing some tips with young lawyers out there so that you can become a better medical malpractice trial lawyer. Today, I want to talk about what to do before you finish the examination of an expert witness. Hi, everybody. My name is Frank Spector. I am a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and DC. I've been doing this for over 33 years. During that time, I've had the privilege of representing thousands of people, helping them get the justice and compensation that they deserve. I was also an adjunct professor at my law school, so the things that I'm sharing with you are the same things that I've shared with them. Hey, if you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. That way you can take advantage of all of my free videos. So now you're finishing up the testimony of one of your expert witnesses, and it's been a long battle. You've had a lot of objections. You've had to go up to the bench. You may have had to take a lot of breaks. It could have gone on for a number of hours. And now you're ready to let that witness go to the other side for questioning. But before you do that, here's what I suggest you do. In medical malpractice cases, it's very uncommon for you to be doing this by yourself. It's just too much work. You have somebody with you. And that person's job is to make sure that every element of the case has been addressed by the expert witness. So in a medical malpractice case, you have to talk about, on the plaintiff side, a violation of the standard of care, how those violations caused injury, how those injuries caused damage, if that's also what the expert is about to talk about. But the most important thing are the standard of care and causation. If you are doing the testimony of one of your standard of care expert witnesses. Now, before you sit down, say to the judge, court's indulgence for a moment, I want to confer with my counsel. And take your time. The judge is not going to rush you. You can have a couple of minutes and sit with your partner and say, did we cover everything? Did I get standard of care violations? Did I get causation? Did doctors say things to a reasonable degree of medical probability? Did they say things that are possible that I need to go back and clean up? Is there anything that I'm missing? Because I'm not going to have another chance. Once I rest, I rest. And don't think that you can clear up a lot of these mistakes on redirect testimony, because redirect testimony only has to do with things that are covered in cross. If you didn't cover standard of care properly, you didn't get reasonable medical probability clearly, you didn't get causation, don't think you're going to have a chance to clean it up on redirect testimony, because you're not. So take a moment before you rest that witness. Make sure that you've covered everything. Talk to your partner, and at the outset of the trial, make a pact with each other that when it's your witness, your partner is going to make sure they take notes to make sure everything was covered, and when it's their witness, you're going to do the same for them. Don't rush. Take your time. It's your case. I know the judge is trying to rush you. They want the case to move fast, but you need to stand up for yourself, and you need to make sure you're taking care of everything that you need to take care of. I hope you found this information valuable. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you again soon.